Day off uses a smart accrual system, meaning employees earn their time off gradually, weekly, biweekly, monthly, or even semi monthly. No more manual updates. No more confusion. The system simply adds the right amount of leave at the right time. And if your company prefers a different approach, Day Off also gives you the option to grant employees their full annual balance up front at the start of the year or any reset month you choose. Employees always know exactly how much leave they have. Day Off updates their balance in real time, giving them instant visibility to plan vacations or short breaks confidently. Setting it up is simple. Choose your policy, enable accruals, and select the frequency that fits your company. And for HR teams, the accrual report shows every earned day, every used day, and every upcoming update in one clear timeline. You can export it, print it, and share it with ease. With Day Off, tracking leave becomes accurate, transparent, and effortless, just the way it should be.